You ever wish you had one of those cool looking full screen YouTube subscribe animations like the pros have? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this. You guys ready? Let's get into it. What is up, internet? How are you people? Welcome to KGFCP, where I have free project files, tutorials, and more. My name is Kevin Ganitz, and today I'm going to show you guys how simple and easy I made it for you to make a full screen YouTube subscribe animation. After you download the files from the description, you're going to want to open up this zip file. You're going to go in here and you're going to see a few files. These two are the files that you're going to be working with. If you want to change the colors, I'm going to show you how to do that real quickly. If you're okay with either the light mode or dark mode, then skip to whatever the timestamp says on the screen. If you're interested to see how we're going to change the colors of stuff, keep watching. Now, if you have Photoshop, you're going to open up this Photoshop file. I put all the files in here for you guys. So for example, if you click on this, you'll see it says subscribed. If you click on this, that means the bell's clicked already. If you click on this, that means it's liked. You could pretty much customize this however you want. You don't have to leave any of this the way it is now. You could completely do an overhaul on this. I'm just going to show you how to change the colors for now. So let's say you want to change the color of the subscribe button. You're going to go in here, you're going to double click on this, go to color overlay, and then you could just pretty much pick any color you want. I'm a huge fan of like this teal cyan color. We'll go with that. You're gonna have to make two images when you do it this way if you want to change the colors, just because of the way that I made the file. So once you pick all your colors the way you want them, make sure you only have regular enabled, not this one. This is gonna be when the like and subscribe and everything's done with the bell. So we're gonna leave this one unchecked. You're gonna leave this one checked. You're gonna leave this one unchecked. You're gonna leave this one checked. You're gonna leave this one unchecked, and you're gonna leave this one checked. Then you're going to save it to your desktop. I'm just going to name it anything. I highly recommend putting a 1 at the end because you're going to have to save two files, and we're going to save it as a PNG file. And then once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and enable the overlayers that show all of the things being clicked on already, like the color that you want it to be after it's been clicked. Then you're going to save this. I'm going to save it as desktop test 2, and we're going to save it as a PNG file. Now what you're going to want to do is, you see the way I have the light mode and dark mode set up. Let's expand this a little bit. What you're going to want to do is go to where you saved those files. I saved it as desktop test 1. I'm going to drag it right on top of this one, and we're going to make the length the same. Then I'm going to drag desktop test 2 right on top of here, make the same length, and then you're going to want to click on the one that I've finished, press Command C, then you're going to click onto the one that you just created, Command Option V. You're going to do the same for the one above. Make sure that none of these are enabled. These are just for examples. You want it to be clear in this area. You don't want anything in the way. That was just for an example purpose. Make sure you press V so that this is a clear space. Then you're going to export it, and I'm going to show you now how to use the file once it's been exported. Go to any of your projects that you want to put the subscribe animation on, and for example, I'm going to go to this video. Let's do the light mode one because I already did the dark one for the intro. We're going to drag it right there. Then you're going to go to where it begins, and you're going to press Command B. So that's going to cut it right here. Then you're going to open up this file. You're going to click onto it, and you're going to see all these files. You're going to click either one of these. Doesn't matter. They're both the same. You're going to click one of them. You're going to press Command C. Then you're going to go back to your project, press Command Option V on your file, and you're pretty much done. that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe so you don't miss the next free tutorial. And until next time, my name's Kevin Ganitz. Oh, by the way, check out my vlogging channel. I'm almost at 1K subs. It would be amazing if you could help me get there. See you guys in the next video. Peace out. Stay safe. God bless.